The Threat Assessment Analysis tool in CloudShark uses Suricata to generate threat vectors based on the network traffic in a PCAP file. To open Threat Assessment, choose it from the Analysis Tools menu when viewing a capture. A summary showing the number of alerts generated by severity will be displayed. Clicking on the Advanced Analysis view will display the threat vectors as a ladder diagram. Endpoints with threat vectors associated with them will be displayed along the top. Each threat vector is displayed below as a line between two endpoints with an arrow indicating the direction. Endpoints can be moved horizontally to change their order, or dragged off to remove the threat vectors associated with them from the ladder diagram. The filters in the upper right can also be used to control which threat vectors are displayed. CloudShark encodes the position of the endpoints in any filter set in the URL for easy sharing. Copy and pasting the current URL will preserve this specific view. The Reset button will set the view back to the default. Clicking on a threat vector will open the threat vector details. In this view, you will find the time the threat occurred, which packet triggered the threat vector, and the associated endpoints. There are also links to additional threat vectors triggered by the same source, destination, and IP pair. Below this is a list of all the alerts that were triggered. Clicking on an individual alert will toggle the Suricata signature source. Any additional information or external references included in the signature will be displayed below. In the bottom left corner is a link to the Follow Stream Analysis tool, which will show the entire TCP, UDP, or HTTP stream that triggered this threat vector. The Statistics view will display all of the alerts grouped by severity, category, signature name, alert source and destination, and alerts by country. Clicking on a statistic will filter the ladder diagram view to show any threat vectors containing those alerts. The table view will display a list of all the alerts triggered in this PCAP. They can be sorted by clicking on a column header, and clicking on an alert will open the Threat Vector Details view. The Map view uses the MaxMind GeoIP2 database to generate a world map color-coded by the alerts generated in a PCAP file. Clicking on an individual country will open the ladder diagram view filtered for threat vectors by the selected country.